So just to give you a brief overview, this is going to be your Module 0. There are a couple things that do need to be completed, and I wanted to kind of just show you around the course a little bit. So my name is Keese Erickson, like I said before. I'm your facilitator for this course, Culture of Healthcare. My background has been in healthcare for pretty much almost all my working life. I've dabbled in a couple other areas, but ultimately came back to healthcare. In high school, I became a CNA, which was over 20 years ago, and had since then continued to do that. I became an LPN, then graduated as an RN, continued on to school, and recently have got my master's and am able to practice as a nurse practitioner. So culture of healthcare is very important. And in this course, we are going to learn about some of those things that really are important that will be good to know on the job. So this course is kind of unique. It's designed for online learning, which is very great. It's great for anybody who is very busy and wants to take the course a little bit at a time here or there and really not have to come to class. But because of that does mean that there's a lot of extra work for you to be completed on your own time that won't be done in class. So what this means is that the course is really designed for you to work through this course activities when it's convenient for you and on your own. Many things that'll be included will be readings in your textbook, articles that have been provided for you. There might be PowerPoints and notes and videos. Even though you're working on your own at your convenience, there are still due dates for assignments. So keep that in mind. You do have due dates and those do need to be completed on time. If you have any questions about when things are due, refer to the calendar or the syllabus in the course information section, as this will have all that information for you as well. So the written assignments are designed for you to meet the competencies of the course and also practice clearly communicating your perspectives on topics that are going to be related to the culture of healthcare today. As your facilitator, I'll be providing detailed feedback on your written work to help strengthen your writing. This will ultimately help you throughout the rest of your courses and future career, as you actually will be writing. I didn't think I would either, but you do continue to write. So all written work in this course needs to follow the APA formatting. If you do have questions about how to format things in APA, we do have the Academic Resource Center, which would be very helpful to use, as well as different resources that are available to you in this course. I encourage you to learn more about APA formatting, especially the difference between the in-text citation and the reference list. Please refer to more information in the course information section. You also have some checkpoint quizzes, and these can be taken multiple times to provide the opportunity to learn the material. I encourage you to go back to any of the missed questions and review them. If you have any questions or concerns, I am able to be reached by email or phone. My best option is probably my email address, as you can see below. You can also call me at the office number or my cell phone. If you need to schedule an appointment to meet with me face-to-face, I have no problem doing that. Typically Thursdays are the days that I can be reached face-to-face. If you are emailing or leave a message, please allow 48 to 72 hours for a response. And if you're not hearing back from me, please try again after that time frame. If the topic is urgent, please include that in your message so that I do get back to you faster if needed. I look forward to working with each of you and assisting you to be successful in your future career. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks.